Hello guys, welcome back to Joy Kitchen. Today I will make shrimp fettuccine Alfredo, and this is my ingredients. I'm using 500 grams of fettuccine, then 284 ml of mushroom, then 415 ml Creamy Alfredo, and I have orange bell pepper, red and yellow. Then I'm using 300 grams of prawns. So since this is big, I have to slice into 4. Okay, so now I have to put 1 tablespoon of salt. Yeah, I use 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. So now I have to put my fettuccine. Cut into half. So just leave it until tender but still slightly firm. Okay, now I have to chop up half a bulb of garlic. Now my pasta is ready, tender but still slightly firm. Now I will drain the water. So it's already drained, so I have to transfer to the bowl. So the pasta is ready. Now I have to do the sauce. So now I will make the sauce. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of margarine. Now I have to put the garlic. Then next is the bell pepper. I have to wait until the bell pepper is soft. Okay, so while I'm waiting, this bell pepper will get soft. I have to drain the mushroom. I will not throw the water. I can use this for cooking. Now my bell pepper is ready, so I have to add the shrimp and mushroom. So the water from the mushroom, I have to sieve it. Then I have to cook the shrimp. Okay, I will cook the shrimp together with the mushroom and bell pepper. So my shrimp, it's been cooking 10 minutes. So I'm ready to put my creamy Alfredo. So the water from the mushroom, I will use this. I have to put in the jar. And shake it so that you can use the remaining sauce inside the jar. Here's my sauce for my shrimp fettuccine Alfredo. Okay guys, I have to cook another 5 minutes. I always use medium temperature for cooking. So my sauce, it's been cooking for 5 minutes. Now it's ready. Make sure you keep the pasta and the sauce separate until you are ready to eat it. So I have to put some pasta in my plate. Now I will put some sauce. Okay. And here's my pasta. You should try this, guys. It's so tasty. I trust my critics. My number one critic is my husband.
Let me try this.
How is it?
That is perfect. Really good. You have to try this recipe.
Then why you are wearing hoodie?
The air conditioning is working really well today.
So you are cold. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget below to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.